all watch the science experiment video. That's why I brought this science kit. Okay, guys? Guys, this is the ultimate science kit, and there's explosive science and color science and soap science and polymer science. There are 40 exciting experiments. Okay, guys? So let's start. Guys, the set comes like this. There's one heart that says thanks for choosing us. Guys, I'm going to do this polymer science and that polymer sign we are going to do magic marble. Guys, these are the instructions. I'm going to follow the instructions, okay guys? We need to pour some hot water into this cup over here, and we need to take the hot water and pour it into this. Guys, the next step is to take some food coloring, 2 drops of food coloring. So this is 1 and 2 there. Guys, we need to add some gel powder into this. Sprinkle it all over the place. Just love sprinkling the things. Now the next step is to take the spoon and mix it for 5 minutes. It's like a strawberry jam, guys. Guys, it's the time to put this thing into this. Ooh, why isn't it going? I think it's stuck there, guys. Using the spoon, okay, guys. Guys, we need to keep this like for 3 minutes, okay guys? We need to add some magic powder into this water over here. So, guys, look at that. It's like already, but it's not. Now, guys, the next step is to take this and put it into this. So, we need to take that. That's super duper hard in there, guys. Boy, guys, I think this thing is a lot. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm just fitting it in here. Guys, now the magic is going to happen. Guys, now wait for 1 minute. Guys, this is not like a magic marble. It's like a jelly marble instead, guys. I mean, just look at it. It's like super jelly belly. Guys, it's like super jelly. I put it in 1 minute and I did all of the rules. But still, look at it. We did all of the steps. Guys, it's like jelly. We can like just call this the jelly marble because it's not even the blum, 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 like that way. Guys, it's not, I don't know what to do, but this thing is really a fail. Guys, this experiment was not successful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.